Welcome back to Financial Literacy, your go-to channel for practical advice and tips to improve your financial well-being. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic that affects many people: living an average financial life. While being average is not inherently bad, it often reflects a lack of financial awareness and can hinder your ability to achieve financial success. In this video, we'll explore 15 signs that indicate you might be living an average financial life. Let's dive in. 1. No defined financial goals. Living an average financial life often means lacking clear financial goals. Many people go through life without a plan, which can result in a lack of direction and purpose when it comes to money matters. Setting specific goals, whether it's saving for a down payment, starting a business, or retiring comfortably, is crucial for financial success. By defining your goals, you can create a roadmap that guides your financial decisions and motivates you to take action. 2. Living paycheck to paycheck. One of the clearest signs of an average financial life is struggling to make ends meet and living paycheck to paycheck. This means that the money you earn from one paycheck is barely enough to cover your basic expenses until the next one arrives. If you find yourself constantly waiting for your next paycheck to cover your bills and other financial obligations, it's time to re-examine your spending habits and consider ways to boost your income or reduce your expenses. Breaking free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck is essential for financial stability and growth. 3. Minimal savings. Another telltale sign of average financial living is having minimal savings or no emergency fund at all. Savings provide a safety net for unexpected expenses and future financial goals. If you're unable to save regularly, it's important to assess your spending patterns and prioritize saving even small amounts each month. Building up an emergency fund and saving for the future are key steps towards achieving financial security and being able to handle unexpected financial challenges. 4. Ignoring financial education. An average financial life often includes neglecting financial education. Many people overlook the importance of learning about personal finance and investment strategies. By not actively seeking knowledge about these topics, you miss out on opportunities to grow your wealth and make informed decisions. Dedicate time to educate yourself on financial matters through books, podcasts, and online resources. By expanding your financial knowledge, you'll gain the confidence and tools necessary to make smarter financial choices. 5. High credit card debt. If you're constantly carrying high credit card balances and struggling to make the minimum payments, you're living an average financial life. Credit card debt typically comes with high interest rates, which can trap you in a cycle of debt. Make a plan to pay off your credit cards and avoid accumulating more debt. Consider strategies like budgeting, cutting unnecessary expenses, and finding additional sources of income to accelerate your debt repayment journey. 6. Lack of budgeting. A lack of budgeting is a classic sign of an average financial life. Without a budget, it's difficult to track your spending, prioritize expenses, and save effectively. Start by creating a budget that outlines your income, fixed expenses, and discretionary spending. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. Budgeting allows you to take control of your finances, identify areas where you can cut back, and allocate money towards your goals. 7. No retirement savings. If you're not actively saving for retirement, you're setting yourself up for an average financial future. Contributing to a retirement account, such as a 401k or an IRA, is essential for securing your financial well-being in the long run. Start small if necessary, but make retirement savings a priority. Take advantage of any employer matching contributions and consider increasing your contributions over time. The sooner you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow through compounding interest. 8. Lack of emergency fund. Living without an emergency fund is a risky financial move. Unexpected events like medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss can quickly derail your financial stability. Aim to build an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to protect yourself from unforeseen circumstances. Make it a habit to save a portion of your income specifically for emergencies, and resist the temptation to dip into this fund for non-essential expenses. 9. Impulse spending. If you often find yourself succumbing to impulse purchases without considering their long-term impact on your finances, you're living an average financial life. Impulse spending can quickly drain your bank account and prevent you from reaching your financial goals. It's essential to develop a habit of thoughtful spending by taking time to evaluate whether a purchase aligns with your financial goals and priorities. Implementing a waiting period before making significant purchases can help you avoid impulsive decisions. Differentiating between wants and needs is also crucial in curbing impulse spending. By consciously questioning your spending choices, you can regain control over your finances and make more informed decisions that align with your long-term financial well-being. 10. No investments. An average financial life rarely includes investment activities. While it's important to save money, simply keeping it in a bank account may not be enough to grow your wealth over time. Investing allows your money to work for you, generating potential returns and building wealth. Explore different investment options such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds to diversify your portfolio and increase your net worth. If you're new to investing, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor or educate yourself on investment basics before diving in. By making informed investment decisions and staying committed to a long-term strategy, you can make your money work harder for you and move beyond average financial living. 11. Ignoring debt repayment. Living an average financial life often involves ignoring or neglecting debt repayment. Many individuals carry various forms of debt, such as student loans, credit card debt, or car loans, without taking proactive steps to address them. Ignoring debt can lead to financial stress and hinder your progress towards financial freedom. It's crucial to create a debt repayment plan that outlines your outstanding debts and prioritizes their repayment. Consider strategies like debt consolidation, negotiating lower interest rates, or seeking professional advice to help you effectively manage and eliminate your debts. By confronting and actively repaying your debts, you can regain control over your financial life and pave the way for future financial success. 12. No financial backup plan. Living paycheck to paycheck with no backup plan is a sign of average financial living. Relying solely on a single income stream can be risky, especially in uncertain times. It's essential to have a contingency plan in case of unforeseen circumstances like a job loss or unexpected expenses. One way to build financial security is by developing additional income streams. This could involve exploring freelancing opportunities, starting a side business, or investing in income-generating assets. By diversifying your sources of income, you create a safety net that provides stability and protects your financial well-being during challenging periods. Having multiple streams of income also opens up opportunities for financial growth and accelerates your journey towards achieving financial independence. 13. No investments in personal development. Investing in personal development is crucial for breaking away from an average financial life. Continuously improving your skills, education, and knowledge can open doors to better career opportunities and higher earning potential. Allocating time and resources for self-improvement and lifelong learning is a powerful investment in yourself. Consider taking courses, attending workshops, or participating in training programs that align with your interests and career goals. By enhancing your skills and knowledge, you increase your value in the job market and gain a competitive edge. Investing in personal development not only benefits your financial prospects but also enriches your overall personal growth and fulfillment. 14. Lack of long-term financial vision. Living an average financial life often means lacking a long-term financial vision. Many people focus on short-term gratification rather than planning for their financial future. Taking the time to envision your ideal financial future and creating a plan to achieve it is essential. Define what financial success means to you, whether it's early retirement, financial independence, or a comfortable lifestyle. Set milestones along the way and regularly review your progress to stay motivated and on track. A long-term financial vision gives you purpose and direction on your financial journey, making it easier to make decisions that align with your goals and aspirations. 15. Resisting change and adaptation. Finally, An average financial life often involves resisting change and refusing to adapt to new financial realities. The world of personal finance is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay informed about economic trends and adjust your financial strategies accordingly. Embrace change, be open to learning new approaches, and adjust your financial plans as needed. The ability to adapt to changing circumstances and make necessary adjustments to your financial strategies is crucial for long-term financial success. By staying proactive and flexible, you can navigate challenges and capitalize on opportunities that arise in the ever-evolving financial landscape. Identifying the signs of an average financial life is the first step towards improving your financial well-being. If you recognize any of these signs in your own life, don't be discouraged. Use them as a starting point for positive change. Take control of your finances, set clear goals, educate yourself, and make conscious decisions that align with your vision for financial success. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, and with dedication and persistence, you can break free from average and build a more prosperous future. Stay tuned for more valuable content on financial literacy. And if you want to learn more about financial literacy and how to manage your money effectively, be sure to subscribe to the Financial Literacy YouTube channel.